Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your LG K61, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, click on the storage, and right now tap on the free up space. And we can go for the temporary files, check the cache data, select it, or just go for the clip try temporary files, depends on what you want to delete. Tap on the delete button, confirm, and it's finished. We can also check the download folder. And for example, we can delete this picture. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.